Hey guys! Today we are doing the what is inside the box challenge. Let's get into the video. So, Emma's gonna do the first one.
You have to open it and see what you find.
Barbies!
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's do the other one.
Close your eyes.
Oh, I know it's a lollipop.
What type?
An emoji. The poop emoji lollipop.
Yeah.
I'm like, we have a lollipop. And I'm like, Alright. Next one.
You're gonna know what this is. Close your eyes. You're gonna know what it is right away. But you have to tell me like which color and stuff it is.
Oh. It's a fidget spinner. Where'd you find? Oh, it's the fidget spinner that's like metal, and it's like a dip. It's like when you put it in the light, it's like purple, and it's like purple and like blue and like a dark blue. Am I right?
Is it one color or different colors?
It's like a bunch of different colors.
Yeah.
I know it was. I'm like, it's obviously a fidget spinner. I know which one it is because this one's metal. So let's get on to the next one.
Close your eyes.
Oh, I know.
It's easy because we used to do them all the time.
Yeah, it's the fuse beads thing, and I'm pretty sure it's like a fish.
It's really old.
Yeah, honestly, want to know something? I saw this in the bag. Like, she's gonna give me it. Sea glass.
What color?
How am I supposed to know what color it is?
Just guess random colors.
Blue?
No.
Red?
No.
Green?
No.
Oh, it's a brown.
Oh, really? How did you guess that?
It looked.
No. Okay. Close your eyes.
I'm like, out of all the colors, I would have guessed it's brown.
Close your eyes, boy. Be very delicate.
It's that really long, rainbow loom thing. Yeah, this is like super long. We started at the old place.
I started. This is
Yeah, you started at the old place, and then you went from like here, 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 and then here. So yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's really long. I'm gonna wear this. Okay. Oh, I thought you already put it in. Like, I didn't see it. So hard. Honestly, I don't know.
We did it the other day with the handprints. It's fine if you don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, look.
Oh. Yeah, we did this. Okay, I'm like
stepping stones. Okay, be careful with this one because it will hurt if you like stab yourself. Okay. Oh wait.
Give me a hand.
It's a keychain. It's fine, just look at it.
Oh, it's Meg's. It's not gonna hurt.
That's mine.
Oh, I thought this was Meg's.
Okay. No, Megan took like 2 of mine. See the mark? Okay. You guys probably don't know what this is, but I'll tell you. Look at that money. Oh, close your eyes.
Oh, it's your old phone that was pink. I didn't see it. I felt it and I'm like,
It's like all it did is take cameras and videos.
yeah.
I should show them the video of me and Megan dancing.
It's really funny.
Okay, close your eyes.
I think
This is the last item, I believe. Yep, last item.
feels like something Clay made.
No. I mean,
I don't know, honestly.
you'd be surprised when you look at it. Okay, go.
I've never seen this.
It's coral.
Is it real coral?
Yes, it's real coral. I found it at the bottom of the ocean.
Oh. Okay. Well, since that is the end of the video, can you guys do me a big favor? And in the comments, I want you to write #WienerDog because Emma wants a wiener dog. Just write that, please. It'd make Emma's day. All right. Click that bell icon when you subscribe to our channel because I'm going to make you subscribe. Click it. Slam it. Yes. Slam that subscribe button. All right. And also click that bell icon. All right. And also, leave a like. All right. And if you want to know what the bell icon does, it lets you get notified whenever we upload. So all y'all people can know when y'all upload. Peace out.